Molybdenum software session with Shivaraj, sponsored by Vilnius Manufacture, working on frappix.
Yes.
Take the helm.
Yeah, sharing.
How about in the meantime, I will run the...
Oh, by the way, I ran the, I mentioned I'll run the VM test, and I, on the commit that we thought was succeeding, and it ran in 9 minutes, 1 VM on my system. And I also redirected the logs. So we'll see if there are failures. Yeah, there are errors. So even for me, about 57 of them.
It's not... I don't know that that's the exact number, but, well, it doesn't need to be exact. So now I'm running from the mob branch.
Okay. You started it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. I'll check out to the mixers test. Mob.
Wait, didn't I have one running when we... Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's the result of the one that was running.
Uh-huh.
It's 3 failing and 16 errors.
Okay.
I guess I should... Well, it kind of makes sense because, you know, when we added all those skips,
yeah,
it was from an incomplete log.
Yes.
So I'll take... There. Here's the summary. Okay. So I'll grab, put this in a file.
Yeah.
Okay. Wayland paste, save, log text, mob. Next. Okay. Now you should have it.
Mob start. What? I don't have. What is it? What's wrong?
Well, it said what's wrong.
Yeah, it says I don't have permission. That's strange.
No, it's not permission.
Yeah, mob start. Could not resolve. Host. Oh, is it internet? Is it internet?
It's DNS.
Yeah. Well, Tailscale is peer-to-peer, so that's why this is still working. The SSH.
We can give it a rotation. I'll do a rotation and we'll see. I'll do.
Yeah, it should work now. I think. Yeah. No. Okay. And just let's fix it while we rotate.
You can fix it?
I'll probably just restart the machine or something. This is the remote server.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shared?
Yeah.
So this does not need to run. That's not helpful. But we do have now a
log.
More of these.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, this is... So we should be getting better at the macros by now.
Yeah.
Here's a macro. That was... It's not what I was aiming for. What was that? Oh, if I delete backspace. Backspace steps out of it for some reason. I need to do this. I need to do, how do I do this in a way that it will fail? Because I'm not removing anything, am I?
No.
I can remove the empty line before it. That's what I'll do. I'm not. Well, I won't remove it. It will just. It won't be there anymore. So I will start with searching for line feed. Line feed. Oops. Line feed. Line feed.
And
I think
the
that's
next, yeah.
That did it.
Yep.
Okay. But now, I suppose I should do a timer.
And
the first one didn't apply.
yeah. Next is the comment.
The ID.
Oh no, ID. Yeah, bring the ID in. Frappe. It's not frappe.test, all of them. Frappe.core.
Apparently not.
Yeah.
I think that should do it.
Yeah.
That kind of looks like it. Oh, that first one wasn't committed. Okay.
And then mob next here. Comments, traceback comment.
Okay. So that means beginning of line, trace back. Wait, not yet. Where do we go with this until probably beginning of line, curly, ID, like that. Willing to buy that.
Yeah.
The last one won't work though. Try mob start before you share screen.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Mob start. Yeah, worked.
Okay, go ahead.
Shed. Mob T. Log. The next step is to add the curly, closing curly. So start here.
How do I know whether your camera is on or off?
It's off. How do you know? Not sure. Doesn't the thing tell you the reverse side?
I guess it does in a way. Yep.
Yep.
Probably more than one way, but I'll have to see when it's on what that looks like.
Yeah. Recording. I need to search for a new line feed, and then starting or just curly ID equals, and move one line up, insert closing curly, and move done, and stop, and 90Q. Yeah, looks about right, except the last one, and that's done. Now we have to remove the
checkpoint.
Oh yes, okay.
Diff would also.
Yeah, I forgot this. Yeah, get diff. Looks right. Looks right. 50. Yeah. Mob next. And log txt. And next we'll have to remove these. Yeah, this is where it was not correct when I did it, because I still don't know how to select it.
There are only a few. You can search for those and do it manually.
Yeah. Search. This is fine. 3 lines. Delete. Next. Delete. Next. Delete. 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 Yeah, that's it. Now we grab. Oh, this is not required, right? This comment. Yeah. And probably not even this test. And this bit and the new line here. Okay. Okay. Then let's grab the. I'll make a checkpoint. Get def. Looks right. I did it. That's fine. Mob next. Log.txt. Let's copy this thing and move it to skip next. go to the
Just
end.
a moment.
Yeah.
Be right back.
That's it. Alejandra, Des, skip next. Okay. RM log 60 and then just run the test 1 VM. I don't really have to redirect. Let's also make a checkpoint. Yeah. Okay.
I'm here.
Yep. I've started the test. I've committed I've removed log.txt and moved them to skip next.
Mm-hmm. Do you think skipping tests actually skips them?
The number of errors are decreasing, so I would assume so.
They don't actually. They don't run at all.
They don't run. Oh, that I don't know. It could either run and not report, or not run at all. I'm not sure. But that's the unit test API, right, that we're calling to skip the test. So it's not really frappe specific thing.
Yes, it's the unit test API. I would imagine they're just not called. Those test functions are not called.
Yeah. I could let this running and we could rotate.
Just this tests are method on a class feels like, is the term it feels like it's being shoehorned.
Yeah.
Like everything is a hammer. Everything is a nail kind of thing. Doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I think shoehorn is appropriate.
So these tests are running and it takes a while.
Yeah.
Let's rotate and you will report when you have something.
Yes.
Sharing. Shared.
We were doing the nspawn container exploration.
Yes. Try to make them faster. which, let me delete this file. All of this
Yeah.
is not compatible.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have I don't know why it's not showing here anything about experimental features. Looks pretty bad.
Yeah.
So this is where we're just looking.
Mm-hmm.
That is as well. Perhaps release notes. No. Perhaps not this release notes, huh?
Yeah.
It's not it. This is the entry for that.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see anything about the experimental features here. So if I try to run it, I don't get the hint.
No. That's something about, I think it was UID range or something like that.
I think there are two, maybe.
Yeah.
That's pretty quick. What happened here? Is it the same thing?
Yeah, it is. Required root.
This? Okay. So how about this? We go to releases.nixos.org and we do here Nix manual, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we search for experimental features, right?
Yeah.
And we should have these here, right? Like UIDs, right? Auto allocate UIDs. This is one of them.
Uh-huh. And then C groups, I think. Yeah, it's right below there. Below C derivation.
You think C groups are?
Yeah. That's what container is was used for. Nspawn containers.
Okay. So let's start with the auto allocate UIDs.
Mm-hmm.
Nix settings.
Auto allocate, auto hyphen allocate. Varys.
This.
Yeah.
No. I might need to add it here as well. I don't know.
It's not a system feature.
It's a build. Why not? It's a.
Well, yeah.
The daemon needs to have it, right? So this is a Nix thing, and then.
Yeah, right. The UID range might be the. I just remember that from memory because Clan uses systemd containers for their tests.
I see.
Just and nspawn containers. But they have an option. They have an option use containers, whether to use containers or VMs.
Here it is.
Yeah.
I don't know why we
this
didn't
is
find it.
Yeah, this is the exact thing.
So. Do I need to restart the daemon or something? Is it the same error? It's not the same error, is it? Shivaraj?
Yeah. It's not. No, it is the same error.
Where?
Assertion error. Systemd nspawn requires root to work. Below.
This.
Yeah. But I don't know if the traceback is the same. But doesn't it restart next table? And so when you change
I
the
don't
next
know.
settings? Or this I usually just kill next table, just restarts it.
Oh, didn't mean to do that. Does this not apply?
There was also one more setting, right? Nix.settings allocate UIDs equals true.
This?
Yeah, auto. Yeah.
Good call. That's a good call.
Yeah.
What's that though?
That's not. Why is it in the manual? Is it? It's because it's too old. Or
No. This is mine. It's like
Okay.
I think I could just import something from somewhere, but
Yeah.
it's not what I meant to do. Where's my command?
Oh,
Here's my command.
for a second, I was wondering if you started using std in your infra.
Sorry for spooking you. Do you see anything here restarting? I don't see anything restarting.
No, you might have to manually restart.
Okay. Oh. How many commands here? I don't understand my history.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on, just a moment here. Let's see etc nix
Nixconf.
nixconf.
Auto allocate. It's there.
Mm-hmm. That's also here. This is here. Extra system features. It's also here. What are we missing then?
UID range is
CTL
also there. I think.
here.
Oh yeah, yeah. What's the difference between extra system features and system features? Is extra system features just supposed to extend system features?
I think so. Unix streaming service. I don't see anything interesting here. Nothing interesting.
Yeah.
What is missing? Let's read it better.
Mm-hmm.
No. KVM. Features of remote builders. If you run the tests on a nspawn, require the Nix daemon to be configured with the following settings. See the documentation on settings. If the test uses both nspawn and QEMU, that's not relevant. Okay, so if we take this stuff and just plop it here. In fact, yes, well, here's auto experimental features there. Extra system features.
There.
Are there, and auto-allocate to these
Yeah.
are there as well. And they're not only, right, like we saw that it's for reals.
Mm-hmm.
Is there something about like the derivation itself?
Oh.
What? There's no way that's the problem. That derivation was built wrong. There's no such impurity in Nix. There's no way. Right?
Yeah. But maybe we gotta see how. Maybe we can read the documentation of how they're written. Is it just replacing nodes with containers, or more than that?
Oops. Just replacing nodes with containers. This is its own file, apparently. Writing NixOS tests. So it's everything about containers. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Running NixOS test requirements for the system requirements for this scenario. We've been there. Separate defaults. Some advantages. Configuring. Do you see anything interesting?
No.
Maybe I didn't restart something I needed to restart, you know? I sure don't know what it would be other than the Nix daemon, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I really don't. And it seems like from the logs that it was restarted.
Yeah.
So I'm like somewhat clueless. System CTL status. So Nix daemon service. Restarting it does restart it, right?
Uh-huh.
There's not much going on here. There is not much, really. Quite recent, this Nix packages checkout.
Mm-hmm.
This is all user stuff, so I don't know why it would matter. And we're getting
Systemd nspawn requires root to work. Maybe you could throw this to an LLM. You get hints, any hints?
Like, I've set up my next settings for nspawn container tests run. I've started the next daemon, but I'm getting do you think no, I don't. I really don't know how and why would this happen? Bug in Nix?
Yeah. Maybe.
Bug in Nix? You are 1001.
You are. No.
That's a no. Nix packages issue? Nope. It's being invoked as UID 1001 normal user, not as UID 0 inside the user namespace. That is exactly what the UID range system feature is for. Nix only gives the build a 64K UID range and makes the builder appear as root when all the following are true. The daemon, not just your user nixconf. Yeah, has auto-allocate UIDs true. Experimental features, auto-allocate UIDs C groups. Extra system features UID range. The derivation that actually runs the nspawn has required system features UID range. I mean, the derivation should have it, right? But maybe it doesn't.
We can inspect the derivation.
We can inspect it, yeah.
Yeah, next derivation show on that.
How do we get the derivation?
Dot
Nix repo
drv path, nix eval on that, and dot drv path.
stood actions.
Tests. Nix OS tests.
1. Yes.
drv path. Or is this 10? Or
You can't do hyphen.
yeah.
What? Let's try again.
We need the run, yeah. Run derivation. Yeah.
What do you?
This is already the path, I think, drv path. We already have that, so
Nix derivation show this?
Yeah, yeah. required system features? Or just grep for UID range?
What did I do? Where should that be? Exactly.
Should be in the derivation. Required system features.
Well, it's not. Here's the args. Here's the builder. Here's the env. Here's the inputs. Here's the name. Here's the outputs. Here's the system. Here's the version. Do you think that this is like... It's not in the env, is it? No. RS.
Well, I know for a fact that clan core has a working containers kind of setup, so we can see if they patch the derivation.
I'm pretty sure that this is just Nix packages checkout here is being broken. You know?
Could be, but this is quite recent, right? Like June or something. 2 months ago. And this system, the nspawn, has been there for.
This?
Yeah.
Sure, yeah. But here's a question. What the heck is run? Can you like... Isn't that like a std thing? Because there is no run.
Oh, yeah.
It's like the wrong derivation.
Maybe we should check the attributes in run and then see if we can find the actual test driver.
The attributes. Well, as long as there's quotes, I don't get tab completion.
Oh, no.
But there's a solution to that.
You can set it to a variable?
Yep.
Test driver. Maybe native build inputs.
How about this? How about this?
Mm-hmm.
How about this? Std build, right? Oh, there's no build?
No.
VM.
VM.
Okay, so how about this? Mix REPL. Here's the run, okay? Now build run.
We'll just build that derivation, right?
Here. Now we have an outpath, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Nix tree. That. It's a thin wrapper around that thing. That's the actual derivation, right?
Yeah. The test driver.
Okay. Now we have this, right?
Uh-huh.
Actually,
and then nix store hyphen qd to get the derivation.
Well, can we do next derivation show
outpath?
This?
Maybe.
And then fx. Yep. That looks like it. Args, builder, env.
We need
no
required system features.
Inputs. I don't see it here.
No UID range anywhere?
UID. Nothing.
Hyphen range? No, nothing. Okay.
Range. That's not how it works here, but yeah.
Yeah.
Just for a sanity check, driver gets me the results, right?
Yeah.
So, we could like derivation that actually runs nspawn. It might not be it though, right? Because I don't know that this is the derivation that runs nspawn.
Yeah.
Next tree. That's this, and then here's a test driver. Maybe that's the one that has required system features. That kind of more looks like it.
Yeah.
Because it has only like Nix packages dependencies, nothing else. So it must be the thing. The driver configuration, runner 0 nspawn. That's interesting.
Can't we recursively search through all the dependencies?
How would we do that?
I was just, I don't know of a way, but I was just wondering. We can recursively get all the derivations, but
look, this is just a guess, right? That's what's missing, right?
Yeah.
And one way to kind of confirm this guess, and it's a guess that like it's a problem in X packages, which is kind of far fetched.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Cool. Okay.
Shared.
Oh no.
This thing.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think we should, like, this kind of. Wait, hold on. I did NHO. Ugh, that's a bad attempt. I did a test.
Oh no. Okay.
NHOS test.
You have to
Oh, that
switch.
should be gone. Whoops. Let's do a boot. Not here though. So actually, let's do a switch. Take a look at this. Okay. And then do a
Yeah.
reboot.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
There. Confirmed the nixconf
Yes.
and try. Same.
Yeah.
Suivrage.
Yeah. I'm here. Can you not hear me?
Suivrage.
Can you not hear
Why
me?
can't I? Oh, it's the wrong audio device. Here. Talk to
You
me.
can. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Anything else wrong here? No.
Should work. Yeah.
So all this is like for the purpose of trying to make this go faster, right?
Yeah.
And which is important, but not necessarily necessary for making it just pass.
Yeah.
It is what looks like just we're missing something silly.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, is there no journal entry from the Nix daemon, for example? I mean, there's nothing weird going on in the Nix daemon. It's just another build error. It won't even log it.
Yeah.
this thing, run nspawn, it does os get EUID.
I think the required system features is the key here, because I remember even when I was trying dynamic derivations or something, I had to add that in the
So
derivation.
maybe Nix packages has some of that. And the required system feature would be what?
The UID range.
Should I search for UID range?
Yeah.
But it needs to be the. Well, maybe in Nix packages we don't do this, but I mean something should do this because they generate the.
Yeah. So sometimes what I do is I just go to Git. Oh.
How is it not anywhere except for in the docs? If it's not anywhere except for in the docs, then it won't. How will our derivation ever have this, right?
Yeah, that's true.
It's what? It's not documented?
Yeah, probably.
No. No way. Oh, by the way, for this whole thing to work, you have to add required system features? No. So you're telling me, okay.
Yeah. Usually what I do is I just go to github.com and search for all the instances of required system features. If anyone already has done it. But
but how do we insert it into the derivation that runs?
Yeah, they have some patch here. They have a test.use containers option. Yeah, you can just search for UID range.
It's just a markdown file.
No, can't be. There was a Nix file.
Maybe they don't need to do this anymore.
UID range. Yeah, it's in libtest container test driver.
What, the search doesn't work well?
Probably. Container test driver. There's no container test driver. Oh, I think they must have.
It's not client core?
Oh, maybe they've changed things.
Maybe it's not needed.
Yeah, likely.
I want to search code across all their. Well, that's some remote builder they have. I don't know. GitHub?
Yeah, github.com.
I think the search here is smart enough to do like something like this.
Uh-huh.
Well, I mean,
Maybe things changed since June, and maybe we should update Nix packages in that and see.
we cannot update Nix packages. We will fail to build.
Oh yeah, the test.
What is NixOS lib testing run? Why do people have this stuff? What is it? Is it a fork? What is NixOS lib testing run? It's a fork on Nix packages.
Yeah.
It's like, what is this? An outdated fork? What's going on here? Required features module type. What is required features? Required system features. System.
Module.
No. Okay. System features. Nope. Well, what about UID range? This is not NixOS test stuff. This is other stuff. You know?
Yeah.
This is system manager. Make container test. This is like not using it. This is its own test suite. So in Nix packages, we already did that search, right?
Yeah.
In Nix packages, there is no UID range.
Uh-huh.
Here it is.
Wait.
What is that? Hold on. What is this? I searched for it with quotes.
Yeah.
So what's okay? So that's what this is, right? It's a clone. They're all clones of this.
Yeah.
But true if containers are present. And is this where? Where is this? NixOS test. What standard requirements?
Yeah. Testing.
Required mod. Required. Where is this used? Come on. My keys. Oh, required features module type. Required features module type. It's in the same file. I just didn't press the right key. Options. Required features. Options of what? What module class is this? It's something to do with a test. This is the test. This is the test, right?
Yeah.
Do you think that this is just the... Do you think
Mm-hmm.
that all we need to do is like... Where's the darn test? Nodes,
Test script or
containers.
yeah.
So but the... Okay, no, that yeah. Run test, okay, run test.
Mm-hmm.
Run test. Maybe this is the module. Is this it?
Required system features is equal to UID range list. List.
Feature module type. UID range. Required features, required features dot UID range true. It's no way. No way. No way.
Yeah, no way.
Well, it accepted it, right?
Oh yeah.
Do you think, here's a question.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think my user Nix config is somehow affecting this?
This also has auto allocate UIDs groups.
Hold on, it's raining. I can't hear you. Say again.
This also has auto allocate UIDs and C groups.
And extra system features,
And
which I
extra
don't
system.
think actually affects anything.
Yeah.
Because it's the user Nix settings. Yep. I don't know.
Well, the VM test ran on my system. There are still, I mean, it still fails though, but the error is different.
There is different?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do a restore here.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we could rotate and do it on yours.
Yeah, yeah.
Is your Nix packages can't be too old?
No, it's not. I don't think so. But just wanted to look at this. Just the failing. So it didn't fail with all those errors and fail messages, but it failed with these.
With what?
You see?
What makes you think it failed?
Well,
Failed with error.
Assertion failed because it did not exit with exit code 0.
Why?
I think wait, so most of them are tick marks or equal to, but I think I saw one. Oh yeah, this one. There is one trace back here.
How do we know where it comes from? Let's read it. Let's read more of it. They run in sequence.
Yeah.
This looks like it's interleaved with the output of these.
Yeah. Go from the top. Oh yeah, see this one. This has a cross mark. This is the only cross mark, and there are multiple actually. Here.
So, but we don't get them listed anywhere
Because
they're supposed to be listed after this.
There were like categories, right? There were tests, there was failing, and then there was error. We were getting error, but we never got failing in the logs that we were formatting. So failing is probably just shown as these cross marks in the final output.
Really?
Yeah, I think. But
or if you scroll up before this summary,
there is nothing interesting.
Mm-hmm.
But I can look for that failing log. Failing? No, there's no log. Doesn't even print that log.
Well, we can collect them from this.
Yeah. Yeah. Should I go Shift G? Yeah. Space. Oh no, did I copy it? No. I'll just do that. Wait, no. Is there a way I can just get the current buffer's text in a file without copying? Okay, let's have it here. Shift G and copy it. Let's put it in a log.txt again. Paste it. And let's select all the X marks. How do I need to copy that one of the tokens?
You have to find one.
Yeah.
Or if you happen to know how to type it in. I think I can type it in.
Oh, then let me try if I can select all the this. Oh, it's an emoji. No, that's an emoji.
It's something like cross, if you can search cross.
In the emojis?
Mm-hmm. There are several. One of them is it.
Oh.
No.
Not these. I'll just must be here.
Maybe it's not considered an emoji.
Yeah. Wait, how did I miss it?
You did?
Yeah. Oh yeah, found one. Finally. Okay. Let's copy this. Yeah, found two. Select all of the
Here's a different approach. Is this a text file?
Yeah.
Okay. Then do a macro that finds a check mark and deletes the line.
Oh yeah. Let's record, or first copy, record, and select the check mark, select the line and delete and stop. And repeat that like 1,000 times. Another 1,000 times. Another 1,000 times.
I don't think it really searches successfully. I think you can't use that paste in a macro. It's impure.
Can't I? Just deleted
Macro needs to
everything.
be self-contained.
Yeah. Just deleted everything.
But it's funny because it lets you do something in the recording, right?
Yeah.
It lets you do it. The action takes place, but it's like a hole in the macro.
Yeah.
Are you undoing 1,000 lines?
Oh, is it undoing 1,000? Oh, yeah. Wait, now it just undid everything. Oh, yeah, now it's perfect. Yeah, now we have everything. Okay. So I can't really delete a check mark.
You can maybe find replace it with something that you can delete.
Mm-hmm. I can select, and I can select all of the check marks, and then it'll put me in all the lines. And then I can select all the lines and then delete them.
Very good.
Okay. And now we should
do the same for equals.
For equals, yeah. Select everything. Select all the equals. And select the lines, delete. And what do we have? We have all these stuff.
Well, now all the lines that start not with space, you can remove them.
Not with all the lines that start not with space. But we need this,
No,
right?
you need
We need them because
okay.
It's only test name here.
Well, maybe we don't need to modify anymore. Maybe we can just use this.
Yeah.
It's only a few. But go ahead, like delete what's not needed manually. Just line select from the top.
This is fine. This goes away. Don't need any of this. Go from the top. Keep going.
It's a bad habit of not line selecting.
Yeah. Delete. Delete. No. Oh, this is probably. No, I don't know if it's important. Yeah. So you have 3.
Add them.
Yeah. Oh, this file takes a long time to open. ID. Need 2, 3. Okay, buffer, go here. Frappe this. And this. Okay, last one. And
we do get a trace for that.
Yeah, but I don't know if we do for the trace is for which though. It's for
It's right after the frappe test API test method API.
Yeah.
Maybe it occurs in the class, in the setup class. Maybe that's why it's here.
Yeah. But we don't have a way of skipping that class yet.
And there are 2 tracebacks here.
Yeah. These, we don't really know why they fail. So I'll just add a comment there. No reason or no log, no traceback, no
They're
traceback.
not the only ones that we don't know why they fail.
Okay. So I will keep this one because we still don't know what to do with it. And I'll just check the git diff or something. What is, yeah, mob next.
Okay, well, I messaged Jeremy about this nspawn container stuff. He's the one who made it.
Yeah.
So I'll see what he says.
Oh, it says it rejected because there is some work upstream that I don't have. Oh, did I not mob start before doing this?
I suppose you didn't.
So I git stash. And
you
then
cannot git stash because it's committed. Do git reset head tilde. Yes. Now you can git stash.
Mob start.
You have untracked. Its status.
That's the log.txt file. I have to do git stash all, I think.
Git stash pop.
Git stash pop. And then
git stash push with u.
Mob start. And now git stash pop. And then mob next. And I'll keep this running. I'll let you know next time.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Shivaraj. Thank you, Wildnis Manufacture, for sponsoring.
Thank you.